Hey fam, good morning! And good morning from New South Wales, Australia this time again. So let's continue our videos for today. So pupunta kami ngayon ng Tamworth or Tamworth. It's actually the country music or country capital of Australia. So right now, nandito tayo sa Scone, which is the horse capital of Australia. Pupunta tayo like 1.5 hours away from Scone going to Tamworth. So meron doon mga big guitars daw, maganda yung playground, may malaking playground. Siyempre, iti-take advantage na natin ang ating stay dito sa Australia. And we're just preparing. So again, same setup. Yan ang aming sasakyan. And then the other one is with Luis. Yan. Alright, so may ginagawa nga palang bahay dyan. So nakakaingit naman. Sana all nagpapagawa ng bagong bahay. Pero syempre, happy naman tayo sa current nating bahay sa Calgary. May malaki talagang difference ang Australia and Canada, which is really the weather. And as you can see, naka-shorts na ako, fam. And we're just getting ready. It's, 17 degrees today with a blue sky from New South Wales. You can see the neighborhood. Nakita nyo na yan from our last house tour dito sa property ng kapatid ko. Yan. So para siyang fam, yung vibe dito ng property ng kapatid ko, para kang nasa Tagaytay, para kang nasa Antipolo, tapos may view sila, right? So ganda talaga. So samahan niyo ulit kami, and more on si mommy ang magvi-video today kasi magda-drive ang daddy. So see you later! Hey fam, we're on our way to Tamworth. Yeah, Tamworth. Ako ng Tamworth kanina. So it's an hour and a half drive from Scone, New South Wales. And syempre, nasa baliktad pa rin ako. As my kids say, Daddy, the driver's baliktad. So nasa baliktad pa rin ako, right hand side. And I'm just following my brother over there. Convoy kami, syempre, kasi hindi naman tayo tiga dito. And
That's the view.
Very excited kami kasi the city actually is the country capital of Australia. So, country music, parang cowboy ang nai-imagine ko with that city. And then meron daw dun malaking guitar.
Golden guitar.
Big golden guitar.
Yeah.
Yun. So, first time namin dun as a family. I think si mommy ata nakapunta na doon the last time, pero kami hindi pa talaga. So, very excited kami. And, ano ang tingin niyo fam sa ating view? Mas maganda ba compared sa Canada? Ayan. On the left nga lang. Tingnan mo. Hand ka nga lang. O, anong tingin niyo fam?
Bush yan eh.
Mali. Ayan.
Mali.
Ayan. Tingin na dyan fam. Ano din ba?
Mountain.
Mountain. So, alright. See you later. Siguro magpapahinga kami somewhere. Magkakape-kape.
Stop over, yeah.
Yeah. So, let's check it out. And samahan niyo ulit kami sa aming another Australian adventure.
Yeah.
Bye! Yung udto sa inyong tanan nakaron. And it's lunchtime here in Australia. Temperature of 19 degrees and namamangha si Kuya Davon kasi madaming insects and ants. And nandito kami ngayon sa Tamworth. So nakita nyo naman ang aming drive. Ano ang famous sa Tamworth? It's their literal. The big
golden guitar.
the big golden guitar. So, magpapapicture muna kami and bibili ng food for our trip. Dito lang naman kami. Papasyal-pasyal lang kami sa Tamworth. So, ang galing ng trip namin. And ayan ang aming family. And there you go. Diba? Oh, literal.
Literal.
The big golden guitar.
You smile there, Kaya. Dagan, Jojo! Exercise!
2, 1. Punta kami ng Tagaytay ng Australia.
Yes, baby.
Now after when we
Overlooking.
and mommy, I'm gonna have a view down below.
Wow. That's right. If you're on top, you have a view down below. Diba? Yes, Daddy, oh.
Correct po. Overlooking kami, overlooking.
Doon kami magla-lunch, fam. So, para maganda ang view natin sa
Overlooking lunch.
overlooking lunch.
Instead na...
Maiba naman.
Yeah, tsaka instead na mag-ano tayo, magre-restaurant and all,
Yeah.
parang pare-parehas lang.
So, nagdala na naman kami ng
Dala
kanin.
tayo ng saing. Ganun din naman ang moves natin sa Canada. Dala ng saing.
Ah,
Tapos bumili na lang sina brother
Ng chicken.
ko ng ulam.
Chicken, yeah.
Chicken.
yes.
Yes,
Ayan na.
overlooking lunch tayo.
Bakit na tayo? Kuya, are you excited, Kuya David? Opo.
Should we roll going down, kuya?
No, that's not good.
Daddy, a toy motorcycle and then a real motorcycle.
Yes, that one,
A
Daddy.
toy motorcycle, then a real
Oh,
motorcycle.
toy
It's
motorcycle.
red color, mommy.
The same as yours.
Yes.
Nah, this is the way. Wow,
The truth and the light.
that's right. Oxley's
Road
Scenic
closure
something.
gates ahead. Para feeling ko mahuhulog ako sa kaliwa lang eh.
Track, Daddy.
Yup, yes, they're right, Kuya Davan.
Look at that, Kuya.
Para lang paakyat ng Banff to eh.
Oo nga.
And then there's a forest.
A forest. Yep. Parang ang lapit mo na dito sa
feeling ko
kaliwa.
nga din.
And we're here na po. See? We're going to
Tamworth Lookout.
find our
Ganda.
table muna.
Grabe.
And then
Ayan na, dito.
iikot namin.
Chair ba yun, to?
Chair yan. Ito yung, ba't yung table? O, ito.
Ay.
Here.
Pero parang mas landong doon.
Dito? Here? Yeah. Para dito ito yung view. Yan. Mag-set up muna tayo dito.
And we're back after ng Tamworth overlooking. Dito naman kami sa Tamworth Marsupial Park. So ni-research namin syempre. Free entrance and marsupial means that just gives birth, right? Yeah, okay. Yan. Okay, so adventure again for Alba Fam Bam. Let's go! Sana makakita ng kangaroo and koalas. Yan, nandito na kami sa Tamworth Marsupial Park. Free entrance siya. And basta careful lang daw kasi free roaming lang daw ang mga animals dito. do it like that. Look! Kuya mo ba nang tingin na? Kuya Davon, is that a kangaroo?
Why he's not even jumping?
Oh, we can ask. Maybe he was just jumping the whole day, and now he or she's tired. I think.
It's a
he?
yeah, it's a he, I think.
Okay.
Because there's usually a pouch if it's a she.
Yeah, that's right.
Female.
No. Since when did you know?
Hi, kangaroo.
Okay.
Bye, kangaroo. Ayan pa, mga kangaroo.
One's a female.
Hello.
May baby may baby ang pouch.
Hi, Joey.
I just said that.
Si Joey.
Ayan, mga kangaroos.
Ay, baka nandun sa loob yung isa. Hindi na kaya?
Ayan o.
Before, mga 10 yan sila eh.
So cute.
Malaki.
What's that, What's that?
Sa Sinsilio ba?
Pagod na fam. So, nandito kami ngayon sa mga emu. So, this is Australia's largest bird.
Is it female?
So, makikita mo to actually sa mga currency nila. Emu.
And ostriches have
And,
Oh, mo.
look at that.
You can tell of the toes. It's an ostrich.
So how many toes are the emus and what's the difference?
3 emus.
Park is free, the zoo is free. So, ang ganda talaga. Kasama siguro talaga to sa mga benefit nila eh. As Australians, syempre, they need to be immersed with the nature around them. So, very good. And then maganda din yung playground. Maganda yung facility nila. Ang only difference na na-observe ko so far, since nakakapag-drive ako,
Blue one is the male.
ay medyo tight yung kalsada nila dito. In Canada, medyo mas maluwag. Or baka feeling ko lang din yan kasi nga right-hand drive, from left-hand drive to right-hand drive. Ayun fam, so nakita na namin ang buong park. Pero syempre interested lang naman talaga kami dun sa kangaroo. So that's the only thing na finocus namin. May malaking playground dito. And it's free. So it's very good. Yan, si Lianica. Where's my Kuya Davon? Where's my Kuya Davon? Ayan si Mommy. And syempre, hindi pwedeng hindi dumaan ng chemist. Pag nasa Australia tayo, hindi pwede talaga kasi dyan yung makakabili ng mga murang pabango. So, lahat kami bumili ng pabango. Si Mommy dalawa, me dalawa. Tatlo sa akin ba? Tatlo pala kami ni Mommy, oh. At hindi kami nagsha-shopping talaga ng pabango. Pero pag dito sa chemist, need talaga ng pabango. Alright. Then, yeah, si Uncle Inchik din, si Luis and si Auntie Cecile, binigyan din ng mga kids ng laruan. So, thank you, Uncle and Auntie. And we're still here. Gala-gala lang muna kami. Ganda ng weather kasi, fam. So might as well take advantage of it. Pag titingnan nyo, parang kamukha lang naman ng Canada. Ang naiisip ko talaga dito is parang MacArthur Glen sa Vancouver. Ang mga shops. And of course, hindi katulad ng Pilipinas po na sobrang daming tao. So dito, saktuhan lang yung tao. Yan ang buong pamilya. Alright, so see you later!
Hey fam! And andito kami sa Vietnamese restaurant dito sa Camp Worth. Dito na kami inabutan ng gutom. So, dito na rin kami kumain. And yeah, that's our whole day. Dito na namin tatapusin ang vlog na ito. Thank you to our brother and sister for the dinner tonight. Salamat at kayo na ang nakapagbayad tuloy. And yes, sobrang productive ang araw na to. Dami naming napuntahan. Ang kids tuwang-tuwa. Thank you sa pagsama and for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And news.